You know, the holiday season can be a very expensive time of year, and adding to that, you may have noticed an increase in your car insurance rates. Financial services company Bankrate says the average premium for full coverage in Georgia is a little over $2,000 a year. But we've noticed some people online asking if rates are rising because of crime. Solene Arif joins us in studio to verify.
That's right, Lori. Last week, a study using 2022 data from the GBI claimed Macon-Bibb County had one of the state's highest crime rates. We noticed people on the Neighbor Watch app Nextdoor asked about a connection between crime and car insurance rates. Someone said they left their insurance company because they couldn't explain why their rate was increasing. So we set out to verify. Can an increase in crime cause your car insurance rates to rise? Our sources are the Office of Commissioner of Insurance and Safety Fire and a Macon insurance agent that's been in the business for nearly 20 years.
Zip codes are one of the factors for car insurance. So if you have a lot of break-ins in one particular area, that can come back and drive that up.
Christopher Walker says there's a few ways insurance agencies look at crime.
The top two things you would look for on crime on car insurance is the theft of the car and the break-in.
He said while high crime in your area can make a difference in how much you pay for coverage, it's not the biggest factor.
And they can make your insurance rise, but not as much because they're considered comprehensive claims. They don't count as much as an at-fault accident would, but they do make a difference.
We also reached out to the State Insurance Commissioner's office, who sent us this statement. In short, yes, crime rates, particularly theft and vandalism, play a direct role in influencing premium costs. Insurers assess the risk of claims payouts in areas with higher crime rates, and this risk assessment often results in higher premiums to offset potential losses. So yes, we can verify that an increase in crime can raise your car insurance rates. Walker said car insurance rates have also risen since the pandemic because people started driving more, which led to more car accidents. He also said supply chain problems and car parts becoming more expensive have also added to the rising costs. Back to you, Lori.
Thank you, Solene. You can get more stories verified on your own time by watching 13 WMAZ on Roku and Amazon Fire TV. Download our app on those platforms and start streaming whenever you'd like.